Hey there, friends. Welcome to another unboxing. Today, we're checking out some limited edition Dustin Squishmallow pets. Stuffed animals. So, this is, they come with a little serial number, the squish date, when they were made and manufactured. This was actually a 2-for-1 on these limited edition Dustin ones. So here's the little guy, and I mean, it's kind of cute. It's a pretty soft little squishy, like a marshmallow. I guess that's why they're called Squishmallows. But there it is, and it was actually I think a 1999 for one, and it was a buy one get one free. It's got that little tail on there, so I believe it's some kind of a little dog thing. But that's kind of cute. And there was two of these little guys. There's the other one. I'm just gonna leave that one in the box there. But yeah, kind of. I mean, I guess stuffed animals just never get old. I grew up with stuffed animals, and they're still making stuffed animals, and people like stuffed animals. So I guess these are kind of collector's items too. But they have Squishmallows have been out since like 2017. I guess they have over 1,000 different kinds, and some limited edition ones, some special ones. So these are the little Dustins. So thought I would share that with you guys. I'll link the Squishmallow store. It's on Amazon. I'll link that and their website in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So if you're looking for a kind of a cute little soft, squishy stuffed animal for your little one, these are not a bad way. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and I'll see you next time.